Hi Tom, this is Tom Sands. He's going to show us a couple of things about compression on the engine and the water pump.
If you try to turn a diesel engine over by hand, it can be very difficult, if not impossible. Up here on the top of these universal engines we have a compression release. I'm moving it. Normal position is down like this. You push it and push hard, and if you let go it springs back shut, so you have to hold it. Now if you hold it, now I can rotate this engine by hand. Give it a good turn here. And I'm turning this compression ignition engine by hand. Now I want to show you that these vanes can rotate backwards. In this case, this engine actually rotates in this direction, but see how the vanes change directions on their own. They're not tearing up, and it's not really a big deal if you happen to see some that went like this. And that's not a problem. When the engine rotates, it will come back in shape as it comes back around. The engine oftentimes will kick backwards when it shuts down and turn some of these vanes backwards anyhow.
Now I'll just footnote here, don't forget that we have pre-lubricated the vanes because we don't have water going through it as it would under normal operation. And you always do that when you first start up the engine after you've changed the impeller to make sure they're lubricated with what kind of a lubrication would you use, Tom?
Just about any kind of grease will do because it'll wash out very quickly anyhow.
Okay, and some of the stuff we use is what, like Vaseline and...
you could use Vaseline, you could use dielectric grease, just about any. What I'm showing you here now is the gasket. This is one that it got a little bit wet, it's a little bit wrinkled, it's not a problem. I wanted to show you it's not perfectly round. For the cam is here inside. This gasket needs to match that raised part in there. Not all gaskets are like that, but you want to be sure to do that. You don't want to turn around here in some other position, although it probably wouldn't be the end of the world. The vanes would rub on it and probably tear it. Okay, you can stop that for a second. Let me